Hey guys, Joe from 4 Hour Crypto here, walking you through another step in the 4 Hour Crypto lifestyle. Now, again, just kind of part of that 4 Hour Crypto, I'm recording another video from the coffee shop, so you may end up hearing some people talking in the background. You may end up hearing some coffee being ground in the background. Whatever you hear, again, I'm sorry, but it's just, I want to, again, show you guys what you can do from anywhere. Again, being able to build that passive income stream in the background and be able to meet your needs from anywhere in the world. And so again, today I'm going to be talking to you guys through a newer platform, one that hasn't had a lot of attention yet, but it's very similar to some of these solid platforms that we've seen in some of the other areas. It's similar to BitConnect, similar to Hextra, and it really does provide something. The name of that platform is Davor, DavorCoin. They have their own coin, they have a lending platform, and they are providing some amazing returns. And so don't miss out on the opportunity. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to get signed up, how to make that first lend, and then also how to really begin to build this into your 4 Hour Crypto lifestyle. Look forward to be able to explain more to you, and we'll go ahead and jump right in. All right, guys, so this right here is the DavorCoin website. It's, again, a simple website. They've gone through there, actually made it look pretty professional and stuff, which is nice. It's, again, one of those things that you kind of look for. It's one of those indicators that you look for in a lot of the investing platforms is, do they have their stuff together? That's kind of a big question that you got to ask. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to kind of take you guys to the website really quickly, and then we're going to jump into the lending side. But the biggest thing right now is let's go ahead and look at the website. Let's go ahead and see how it looks whenever you first jump in. Now, the DAV price, it shows you as the time of me recording this is $22.59. And so we've been able to see that jump up. I was fortunate to jump in when it was between $5 and $8 first. After that, I jumped in again between $10 and $12, and then around the $15 to $20 mark. I've been able to jump through those different areas and be able to see some great profits in the DAV. And so again, as you make your investments in the platform, not only are you gaining interest through the lending side, but as that coin increases in value, so does your investment. Another good benefit to the process. So a lot of people ask, what is DAVCoin? Hey, here's the awesome part. They have it right on their website. So as you're looking at it, DAV is just like any other cryptocurrency. Think of it like in the same way that you think of Ethereum, as you think of Litecoin, BitConnect coin. Again, all of these different coins that are out there, it is a coin. It is an altcoin. It is a cryptocurrency. And so as you have that, you'll be able to exchange it for different things. But most importantly, it's what their platform is based on, giving them stability. And so as we end up looking at that stability, as we look at the coin itself, we're able to see the rise in the coin and see the value that it does bring those who do invest in them. So we're going to end up going and looking at the lending platform after we kind of see a little more of the information. What is it made of? How DAV holders make money? All of that. There's lots of different opportunities. You can do staking with them, which is fantastic. Of course, you can also take advantage of their lending platform and just go ahead and trade it, flip it. I've done a lot of the trading and stuff leading up to this because I wanted to make sure that I got some great value out of it even before I invested more money into the platform. Here's one of the things that I really want to point out. This is the returns on your lending. Now you can see it's been some solid returns. On the 20th, or let's see, so that's today. So we've got 1.75%, 1.71, 1.6, 1.85. Again, these are some pretty hefty returns. I mean, you're looking at 1.7 plus each and every day. That right there, guys, I mean, you're looking at about close to a 700% return per year. Now let's go ahead and think of those numbers. That's insane, but especially when you compare it to the bank accounts and stuff out there providing us the amazing 2% return on your investment, and that's 2% yearly. So again, yes, cryptocurrency is riskier, but you get some awesome returns in the time that you have. We're also going to end up looking at the capital back as well as the interest accrual and the bonuses that go along with that. You can see that they're just similar to BitConnect, similar to Hextra. They do have those bonus marks that are added in. We're looking at 0.1, 0.2, 0.25, and 0.35%, as well as watching that capital back begin to drop as you end up increasing in value of your initial investment. You can look at the profit calculator, and then of course they have something that none of the other ones are offering. They have an additional option, a locking period. And so that optional locking period, you are adding on to the end of this time frame that you're adding in there, that you are doing your investment, and they're going to go ahead and give you an additional bonus on top. It's not a huge amount until you look down at this additional 120 days. Yes, that's over 3 months, between 3 and 4 months, but you are going to see a fantastic additional 0.1% added into that investment. And so if you were to end up jumping into this right here, let's say that you're a whale, you ended up deciding to do a large investment of $25,000, and you're going to look at a 0.45% daily return. That's insane. On top of the daily return that you're looking at already. Again, if we're looking at today, so you add that, you're looking at a 2.1% return just off of, or no, I'm sorry, you're looking at 2.2 with the additional lock-in rate. So 2.2% daily return off of that $25,000 investment. That 2.2 is more than a yearly return from your bank. And so, again, a lot of perks to dealing with DAV. Let's go ahead and look at some of the other stuff that we've got. Another thing that we're looking at right here is the staking coin for profit. Now, what that is basically, you think of it like an additional, think of it like a savings account. You're going to go ahead and take those coins that you've got, and you're going to throw it into your staking wallet. BitConnect does something similar, and so you can see the value that it offers. You take those coins and you put them in the staking wallet, and they're going to provide you a 10% per month return on that first year. That's a fantastic return. So you can go ahead and get that instead of just holding it in the wallet and not getting anything else out of it. For one, you're gaining value off the coin increasing, but two, you are increasing that return by 10% per month on average. That 10% per month return just for staking it, just for holding it in the DAV wallet. And so again, another great opportunity to build income, to build interest off of your investment. If you don't want to throw it in the lending platform, you can simply hold it in the staking process, which is a huge opportunity, especially for those returns that you do get from your lending. All right, so this is the other side that we're looking at. We're looking at the trading opportunities. You can see that they've jumped onto CoinExchange, into Mercado, into YoBit. Those are three of the great trading platforms that a lot of people are using out there. And so now we're going to go ahead and start seeing a bigger bump, a bigger push for the rise of that coin as it's brought into the mass market. Those day traders are going to start to see it. We're going to see some great returns, as we've seen with a lot of the other coins that are out there, especially BitConnect. BitConnect went from, I mean, it was less than $10 to now it's over $400 per coin. Over the 1 to 1.5 year lifespan that they've been out there, you've seen that fantastic return. That is what I see happening with DAV. Because they have been so transparent versus BitConnect, who you don't know who the owner is, DAV has their owner out in front of everybody. They are making sure that you are getting that confidence. That CEO is making sure that you are confident in their company to be able to get some great value out of even trading, from lending to trading to staking. Again, all of the different opportunities that you have within DAV, they are wanting to make sure that you are confident in them. Again, if there's a fall guy, then they're going to do everything they can to make sure that he's taken care of. And so let's go ahead and continue to move on, and let's look at the lending platform in itself, okay? All right, so here we are on the lending side. This right here shows us what's going on within the company. This is where you end up taking your lending. You have your wallet, and so you can then go ahead and deposit your Bitcoin in there. From there, you can go ahead and exchange it. Of course, you see that it's a fluctuating market, and so we get to see that. This would be one of those places that you want to buy in. Again, it has a slight dip. Currently, we're looking at $22.49, and so if you can go ahead and take advantage of that, you can then buy the DAV. After you have your DAV in your wallet, you're going to have the opportunity to go ahead and start lending. Now, the lending is the important thing. We're going to go ahead and look at the value of the lending. You've got the daily variation rate, which again, that is what we see up here. You can see that daily variation rate as it's rolling through the last 5 days credited interest. And then, of course, the bonuses, 1,000 to 5,000. Then you're at the additional 0.1%, 5 to 10, 0.2, 10 to 25, 0.25, and then 25 plus, you're looking at that additional 0.35% interest. After that, you again have the additional locking periods that you can take advantage of. It's all up to what you want to do with that investment. Now, it does lock in your price right there for a certain period of time. And so once you've entered in to the lending process side, then you'll hold that price that you're at right there. So while you're looking at the different opportunities and stuff, when you end up jumping into the lending side, then you have to have a minimum of a $100 investment. Now, that is similar to some of the other platforms out there. I know Hextra is the exact same. BitConnect does allow you to do some reinvesting at a lower value, but by having that minimum of $100 investment, then it does also add more stability into the process, because it's not people nickel and diming. They are actually going into the platform and putting a solid investment. That right there will again lead to more growth in the value of the coin. And so you can go ahead and do that. We'll just say it's a $100 investment. Now, again, I currently have $8.25, $8.25 in value in my tab, and so I can't do that $100 investment with my return that I just had. That was as of last night. That was my return. And so, again, off of a $500 investment, I'm taking at least $8 a day, which is awesome. And so you can see that it just expired, but you do have a certain amount of time. You look at your amount that you can invest, and you go ahead and you lock it in. I agree, and then drop it in there. I can't do it right now, but you can go ahead and submit that investment. Okay? So the other side that I want to explain is the staking side. Now, as we go ahead and click on the staking, then you download their wallet. It's simple enough. You go ahead and click on it, and it will give you the wallet that's available. The other thing, once you've downloaded that wallet, then you can go into your staking wallet right here. You simply do receive coins. After you've done receive coins, you just send it in the exact same way that you'd be sending anything else. Click on the wallet, click withdraw, add in your wallet address. Let's go ahead. I'll do an example of it right here. So I'm going to copy address. Enter that right there. Now it does charge a small fee for doing that. So they're going to go ahead and tell me you need to do something different. And so let's go ahead and drop that one to a 5 in order to work with the fee. Enter in password and submit. Now you can look at I've got an incoming transaction. I got the little notification. And we can look at those transactions right here. It's been received, and it's going to be going through the process of reinvesting into the staking wallet. Once you do that, then you'll begin to see the value grow right here, and you'll end up seeing the staking value. Now, I've only been staking for a couple days now, and so it does take some time to activate. I also accidentally shut down my wallet a few times, and when you do that, it kind of gets things started over again. So you want to keep that running in the background in order to get the most out of it. All right, guys, so I hope this explained DavorCoin. I hope you understand DAV a little bit better now. The biggest thing that you need to understand is, again, this is a risky investment, just like any other out there. But because they have had so much transparency in their program, then it's a great opportunity for you to feel a little bit more confidence. It definitely gives you a little bit more ease in that investment process because, again, they have more to lose in the process of you knowing who they are. Unlike BitConnect out there, who you don't know who they are. Now, BitConnect is a great platform, but I like the fact that I know who the CEO is. Secondly, this is going to be a perfect opportunity for you to, again, begin to build on that investment in Bitcoin that you have. Basically, because you're so early in the lifespan of DavorCoin, then it gives you an opportunity to gain value as it goes up. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. This is Joe from 4 Hour Crypto. I'm happy to help you out with anything I can. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will gladly get back to you with any questions that you have. Look at the links below, and you'll be able to sign up with DavorCoin and, again, see some great opportunities that are taking place. Thanks again.